today is about just cooking maybe how many ingredients? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 ingredients. Like chicken teriyaki. It's like a slightly chicken teriyaki, but I just found some information in the internet and they have different kinds of variations of chicken teriyaki. So what I did is I just make use of what I have in the kitchen. So here's what I have. What I have is 3 chicken breasts, which I cut it like this, like strips. It's okay if you cut it big because this will still shrink when you put it in the skillet. And then I grated some ginger, maybe 1 thumb and a little bit more of the ginger, and then I grate it. And then use onions. I have leftover white onions, so I already included here, but it's much better maybe. I don't think so, but I'm just gonna try it today. I'll use the red onions so it's more flavorful. And then I have black pepper powder. I'm not gonna use the ground black pepper because I don't have a grinder of the black pepper. And then I have this is Dr. Song's. This is already teriyaki sauce, that's why it's kind of teriyaki, but it's not. I'm not gonna use it, or I'm not gonna do it from scratch. So I bought this in COD in Maadi, so that's what I'm going to use for the sauce. And a little bit of olive oil, just to be healthy. I don't want to really use the oil that they have here in Egypt. So what I'm saying is I'm going to also use olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, whatever do you have, because I don't want to use the oil that we have here in Egypt. This is the most best, or this is the only best oil here in Egypt, I think, because some other are not that clear. It's kind of dark and it's not really good for our health. So what we do is we open this. I've already opened the pan, and we put a little bit, and we put not a little but an olive oil to it, and we close this. So move it around. So what we're going to do is we're going to cook the chicken first, make it brown. Going to open the exhaust fan. Okay. Cook the chicken first. Put them all together. Just put them there. Just to have a little color in the chicken, or not actually, sorry, but you have to fry the chicken very well so it will be crispy. So distribute evenly on the pan so everything will be cooked. This is only a simple cooking video at home, so don't judge me. I'm not really a good cook. I'm not a chef. I'm just trying this for our dinner later. So you have a different meal to have during dinner time. Okay, we wait for it to brown. So yeah, what I'm saying is while we are waiting for the chicken to cook, we're going to make the sauce. I put the ginger, all the ginger that I grated in a bowl, and then we're going to put this teriyaki sauce. Maybe 1/4, or it depends on how much sauce you want for your chicken. And then we put some pepper. We like peppers, that's why I put more. So I'm going to mix this. Just mix it. Then you can taste it if you want. If it's according to your taste, the sweetness. Okay, this is a little bit salty. So what I'm going to do is So guys, the video was cut because I don't have enough space in my memory card. So what I did is I also added some brown sugar to make it more sweeter, because I tasted it and it's salty. So this brown sugar also helps your sauce or your chicken to get more caramelized. So maybe I put like 1/4 cup of brown sugar in here, and then I mix it again to incorporate the sauce all together. So the chicken is getting cooked, so we will wait for it to brown some more, both sides. So when the other side is already brown, you just have to turn it around and wait for it to cook. And then afterwards, you would have to set aside the chicken, and we will cook the onions. Taking a little bit long to cook. So what I'm going to do is I took another pan, and I'm going to cook the onions here, so it will be much quicker to finish this meal. Okay, we'll put a little bit of, this is already used oil this morning when I cooked for my husband. I only cook like meatloaf for his pack lunch, so it's okay to use it again, and then afterwards I won't use it anymore. So we just have to wait for the pan to heat, and then we will put the onions on this side. Okay. Need to brown the chicken. So it's taking a little bit long because when I washed this chicken, I didn't taken out the water. So now I am going to cook the onions on the other side while waiting for the chicken to still get brown. So this chicken is taking too long. I don't really like eating. So yeah,
yeah, that's my typical day here in the house. And maybe I can share you a story um, about this pandemic that is happening here in Egypt. Well, it's very late that they have mandatory ask people to wear masks. They just implemented it last Sunday, and today is just what, Tuesday. And the pandemic has been around like 3 months, March, April, May. So it's turning 3 months this June here in Egypt, and they're not really that scared. Usually on the first week, when there's a positive case here in Egypt, um, they didn't, it's like it didn't matter that much to them. But a lot of people on the first or second week are wearing masks. Then afterwards, um, not that really, not all of the Egyptians are wearing masks anymore. Maybe because the mask is maybe expensive to them, and the improvised mask is not yet very widely used or distributed, or maybe not all of the company are sewing it. So I think the chicken is almost done. We will continue this later.
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put here the onions, because the flavor of the chicken is already there. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the sauce that we have made earlier. I'm going to put this all. I'm not going to waste, because I'm like that. I don't like wasting food or sauce, which I can still have. And then we mix it. We mix it all together so that the sauce will the chicken will sip on the sauce that we have did. So we will wait for this to simmer some more and to reduce the sauce so that it will penetrate more inside the chicken and it will be more tasty. So while waiting for that, I have already chopped some leeks or scallions or spring onions, so I can top that later when it's already cooked. So yeah, I have put some scallions. You can put some scallions, leeks, spring onions on top to garnish it. And then I also put some chili, dried chili, so it will be tasty and a little bit of a kick when we eat it later. So we will cover this and we'll eat it later. That's it. That's my...
So yeah, my video was cut on the GoPro because, as I was saying to you, the memory card is already full and I don't have space because I haven't transferred the other videos that I did before in my laptop or here in my cell phone. So yeah, that's my simple cooking here in Egypt, like a random day, and this is only a random video, so don't judge me, don't judge my place. I hope you like it, and comment down below if you like it. Click the share button, click the like button, or if you want, you can subscribe, which can really help me a lot because I'm just starting to vlog here again, here in Egypt. And I'm not really used to taking a video of myself and talking to a camera. So bear with me, guys, okay? Bear with me. I'm going to get used to this. And also the camera angles and like the cinematics that I'm going to use here. I actually like doing cinematics when I'm doing my video. So just bear with me, guys. And I'll see you all in another one.